Hello, hi.
You got the keys to open heaven's gate tonight.
Black is here.
Black. Shorties in black. What's that?
We are here. Welcome to my channel. Like I always say, if it's your first time stopping by, you are so welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, sis, welcome to the family. Let's grow together. As you guys can tell, I am not here alone today. I have got a queen. I have got a Millennium Beauty. I have got a feisty princess inside my channel. Okay. So today we are joined by the lovely Lontia, the Queen's guy.
I love that intro. First of all, I love that. Can we do that every time my video starts? Like every time.
Like, hey.
That was a good intro. Hi guys. Hi guys, I'm Lontia, aka the Queen's Guide, and yeah, I'm just here on Nana's channel for the first time, stopping right by. So excited to be here, and yeah.
So you guys can tell by today's title, we did. This is actually a part 2. We did a part 1 on Lontia's channel, so you guys can click on that read more place down there. You know where it is. I'm not gonna tell you. You know where it is.
Just go.
You can watch part 1 of this amazing video on her channel, and then part 2, of course, you are here. You are here because you watched part 1.
So quickly pause. And then.
So we decided to film a complete makeup tutorial in Bemba. As some of you guys might know or might not know, Lontia and I are both Zambians, but however we grew up in South Africa, and now we are here. We are taking Africa to the world.
Africa to the nation.
So if you would like to know how we achieved this beautiful look, how we spoke our language, okay, please do yourself a favor and keep watching. On to the next slide. I feel like when I start kind of foundation maybe for like summer shade.
I think what darker, but today push nas it darker than him, but isuma sana na yena, but musama
I feel like tuna wonfia na nkana yine Fenty Beauty, but mfuena ashta shade ya.
So wala got ama Fenty ambia me.
Exactly.
Because
I feel like
Fenty girl. Rihanna afura fe kumtuma.
Like
at this point,
Rihanna to me na phony.
Shinka. Ndebo fe MAC peach twist pa my cheek. Panono kushta blush. So, but today it seems like look na chishta little.
It's very
straightforward.
Yeah,
so it's like okay.
But
in full of my lashes, so I'm not even done. So she put it.
So they won't fear Revolution makeup again, banana powder.
Ni makeup Revolution you in it?
Oh. Banana powder.
Banana powder.
Zoi kwatama powder, zoi kwatama foundation, zi concealer. Kwata fiance.
Okay. And there we setting mist. Yakumorphe. Oh, Isuma and the rest of it, at least not to put up. Yambi kuchita sana like fresh, but you
just and it ila konse ke kumente.
Yeah, ila ya konse pa imo push.
Manfwa. Ela nunkila wino.
Mascara number de of a clinic mascara yandi. And then nalabi cafe amang kopyo. Ah yeah.
Yeah, amang kopyo, that's
right.
No magande chita powder panshi. Chita sana like powder yingi. Nda won't fear remainder because already na won't fear concealer. So she what panshi even
Pakale
ibeke sana type.
Yeah. Kubeka uko.
Wala become links yes waya ukuma channel yes at least.
Yeah, if you want links ni panshi. Waya watfunda code.
At least should we ambako whatever. Oh no. Eyelids ni.
Tola shaka appreciate sana.
So no ba listening pusha na banana powder yandi nala ingira na what's this Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. So nala bonfia color iya pakati Yeah, brown. It's like a very nice, yeah, brown shady. Isuma at least kupika like panchi. But okay, so in it nomba nala ingira na kala ine ya pink na chumfia nala ibika kwapa ya gold panchi.
Serious business you could have been.
Kama millionaire one
day I remember my days I tried to keep quiet and this stuff you.
Let me tell you, better
something anyway.
Kumenso ni mpuisha number. So if you understand nala setting nankane a face shashta konto. What is a makeup without a consto?
What is it?
So konto nala wonfia in a black radiance number nala wonfia shade iya fita sana, but for never careful sana because shady siya kupapusha.
Aye. Ila fuma sana.
Ngawika fia just nashta fe soap brush chap, but ngawika pa mento wamkwatu wachika fe sana efindi. Okay, nashta ko konto mona a little bit, but no, fia not sana. Gandeshta konto shtananka like all the way nda tampa so pakati so that at least ninkwata ko guideline nish buko because ngana tampa fe so nish na
and stuff it contour pa my cheek ndo fa malazi hapa so cause ila monica sometimes abantu bambi
bala shita sana nani can exaggerate.
Yeah, and then ila monica, you know what I mean, like it's just not. Am I speaking English? Tell monica win.
Na ule vika nankane konto pamona wila not kuwika sana. Ingira na brush na ingira na powder so that at least iwako nankane sharp. Panga yaba sharp sana time waka win. Mweka kwa lefo kuivita plastic surgery but watu kwa tafi.
Like the watu kwa tafi mbia oyafe pa quick. Ka cheap quick chaguti. Ise wow.
So nengra na LA Girl Pro setting mist. So now that surface, let's test 1 2 1 2. Okay, it's fine.
At your 1 2 1 2.
Okay.
Smell?
Yeah, it's cheaper. I'm looking for a setting spray. Yeah, cheaper, very affordable.
But my products, yeah.
I feel like I'm later for makeup. I feel like quite LA Girl na Essence. My products are feel what I'm at least.
She should be Essence.
Essence. Why is she not in South Africa?
Essence nani she va faire nail polish. Vai com nail polish, tá?
Vai com nail polish, vai com uma
faca. Yamo clicks. Yeah. Okay.
Clicks.
Clicks way. Oh my gosh, that was my story.
When last. So naranja na Morphe continuous setting mist.
So levika. Okay, tuwe nini shule levika double.
Levika double because I feel like
nana alikuwa tama steps iwe. Data ule mtafolo. Ni shule
with setting spray, I feel like ile katana nkane makeup wino so that at least
fit tafe blend.
And then setting misty that won't feel because I feel like ila later fiance.
Okay. Yeah.
Like everything.
Yeah, la vika fe pamo like
exactly.
Instead of being Monica pa now vike imofia.
Exactly. So number per highlighter. Nala Bonfia Morphe highlighter in the shade Mirage, high impact highlighter illuminator in the shade Mirage. Isumana kane highlighter.
Yeah, Morphe. Na shafta review Morphe the other day. So ngata utambi the video and ya Morphe kabe utambi.
What are you doing?
Like,
what is wrong with you? Tough number. Once I want to focus on foundation because Rihanna ali bafunda konankane 1-2 lesson
abafunda kwa 1-2
Inela bomfianankane foundation, I mean concealer yandia ku Fenty Beauty ndawika so hapa
pamachani fishi
pamilomo so the blend yeah just pano no yeah
sorry the foundation
fine nomba naingira na essence long lasting ini eye pencil but ninda bomfiana but pamilomo because ila bomba bwino kwati nani kandi lip liner sana
awo kutwa ama lip na
lip and eyebrow pencil that won't feel more
kushafye inendewa vya as lip liner andi phone study onse kaingesh kwate lip pencil so ndawo vya lip paint andi kushafeka line so
Virtual palwa ne nananka ni nama na milomo.
Natuna.
Kamivalia konanka ni surgery. Dikelo.
Natkata kalewa. For what, baby? Okay, so in India we get combination ya stunner and veil. Na NYX London.
I know we need to Stunner by Fenty Beauty na NYX London.
Toturial sponsored change Toturial to but she wants to defend him, man. Oh, she won't fear Sana. So they don't do like, if I want to go,
I won't feel
I think I think Dalava. Right, now you can have and then therefore I can't gloss by more.
I wanted the gloss, but I think matte.
They don't do it because they don't catch up with no. But I don't know. Like nani the mama gloss these days. We can have gloss by more. Cause they look obsessed mama gloss in it, but my tesha Monica will not.
Okay, you go gloss, I go matte.
Yeah, a complication yandi.
So here we are, guys, with the final and finished product. We nailed this look. Firstly, we nailed the look. We nailed the language. We made up some words. If you don't add them to your dictionary, what are you doing with your life?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Like, this was an amazing task for us. It was quite hard at first because certain words were just like...
I feel like when you don't speak the language every day, and like it's not your first language, it's super hard. I found myself like finding it hard to pronounce things.
Exactly.
And I haven't said them in like...
in a very long time. And I feel like this also kind of showed us like what we know and what we don't know, especially when it comes to our home languages. It's sad, but you know what? We're getting there. We're
almost there. Like that was good. That was really good.
That was good. For like
the first try, we killed it. Like we smashed it.
Listen, exactly. So please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you'd like to share this with your Zambian community, Zambian friends, come on, show us some love.
Why not?
Spread the love. We are leaving you. You know they say one Zambia, one
nation.
Yes. So guys, don't forget to keep slaying. Don't forget to keep spreading the love. Do you have any final words you would like to say to my fellow people?
I'd just like to say thank you for having me, sister. That was great. I had a lot of fun. To the people out there watching, subscribe to Nana's channel.
Yes. And if you guys would like to see Lontia come up on my channel more often, don't forget to leave that comment in the comment section. I'll make sure that she appears. Do you guys actually like to see more guest appearances on my channel? Come on. Let a girl know. Guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to keep spreading the love. Until next time, bye.
Bye.
Awesome.
You said rap. Boom, boom, boom. He said rap. Oh, it's a rap.